Hi folks, I'm Jeremy Passo with Bent's RV, and I'm here today to talk with you a little bit about RV awning care and maintenance. First thing I want you to know is that every trailer that comes to the dealership is going to come with a package like this. And inside this package, all of the manufacturers of the components will provide documents and information about their particular product. Warranty information as well. First thing I want you to know about an awning is these awnings are designed for shade only. There's a lot of different opinions on when you should put your awning up and when you shouldn't put your awning up. And there are some features that are built in that allow you to stay out in certain conditions. However, you will do so at your own risk. First off, some awnings have breakaway arms that will allow rain to dump off on the sides. And then some of them will have a setting where you can tilt it so the rain will run off to one side of the trailer. Folks, you should know that any weather-related damage to your awning will not be covered by the manufacturer of the RV or the manufacturer of the awning. When you're thinking about care and maintenance, you always want to refer to your owner's manual because they're going to tell you the way that they want you to care for their awning to make it look newer, make it last longer, and give you more outdoor enjoyment. Thanks for joining us today, folks. Come out and see us at Bent's RV in Bootheel or Metairie.